me, Candy, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I don't know why I have this problem. I see plushies that I like. I don't mind spending money on them. I really don't. I look at the price and sometimes I'm like, but most of the time if they're cute enough, I'm like, you know what, I'll take them. But when it comes to buying clothes and shoes, like I literally cannot. Like, I hate it. I very rarely buy new shoes until they're like ripping and falling apart. Then I'll consider buying new shoes, and even then I'm like cringing a little bit that I have to buy new shoes. So when Koi Footwear reached out to me and wanted to work together on a video, wanted to send me some shoes to review, I was like, Me? Are you sure? But I'm very grateful they did. So thank you to Koi Footwear for sending me these shoes to unbox and review for all of you. While they did send these items for free, all opinions and thoughts are my own. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That really helps out the channel and I would really appreciate it. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more fashion related videos like hauls, reviews, etc., click that thumbs up button. So I went on their website and I was browsing a bit, and they have so many cool styles and different like aesthetics to choose from. From what I noticed, I saw a lot of platforms. It really reminded me of like that kind of like late 90s early 2000s style, and honestly that is so cool. So when I first looked at the website, I'll be honest, I was like, these aesthetics are way too cool for me. Like, look at me. I cannot pull off like that cool cyber early 2000s look as much as I want to be Lindsay Lohan or Hilary Duff in that montage where she's trying on different outfits from the designer. I simply am not. I'm very into pinks and pastels and cows and all that stuff. They literally have such a huge inventory on their website. So as I kept browsing, I actually found 3 pairs that really like spoke to me. I looked at them and I was like, oh my god. And I actually just got the package, so I thought I could open them up and give you my initial first impressions, and then maybe we'll do like a little try on and I'll give you a review. I'm not looking at the labels because I want to be surprised as to what pairs what, so I'm excited to let's get started. Let's just get started. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these, oh my god, starting off strong. Okay, they come with I love that they come with like a little dust bag to keep them safe and not like scratch, because there's hardware on here, metal hardware. So I love that. As you can see, there's already a pink heart. Look how cool these are. Oh my gosh. So okay, I know they're black, hear me out, though I do wish it was reversed. I would have loved a pink one with like a black heart or something. Definitely black pink vibes. But look at the buckles, they're also hearts. If y'all didn't know, my preferred aesthetic is very love core, very hearts, and oh my god, they're so cool. They're like these creepers, and this is my first pair of creepers. I've never owned like anything like this, so I'm super duper excited. I feel very unworthy, very unworthy. I'm honestly nervous to try them on because like I've said, look how thick this is. Like, to me that's super thick. Probably to anyone that wears creepers, like, it's not that thick at all. And I thought this would just be a cool like neutral look with the black, and then also give it a little bit of spice with the heart buckles and the heart emblem right here. It's just so pretty. And I ordered a size UK. I think these were a 7, I believe. Yeah, the 7. So these I was actually kind of sad about. They look really cute and I really like them, but sadly they feel a little bit too small. I do have wider feet. They do feel a little tight. I actually couldn't even put them on with any socks, and I cannot do that. So if you wanted to get this pair of shoes, I would suggest to size up. I think if I had gone up one more size, they would have fit perfectly. But yeah, sadly, these were a little bit uncomfortable. They felt really tight, and I was so relieved to get them off, but it makes me so sad because I think these are really cute. On to the next one. Let's see. I'm not looking. I'm so excited for these. Oh my god. If y'all didn't know, one of my favorite animals are cows. I love cows. They're so cute. I love them. and they had these really cool platform Mary Janes that are a cow print. Look how cute these are. I'm a little bit nervous about the heel, not gonna lie. Like again, I'm not very much a big platform wearer, so I'm a little bit nervous, but they are so cool. Look at them. Oh my god, they're so cool. I love them. Also a good like neutral because they're black and white. It goes with everything. But definitely I could wear these like with my black pants or black dress, black tights. Despite being so tall, they're actually really light. Like, it's kind of weird. I don't know how to describe it. They're actually really light. So, I mean, that's good, right? It's not going to be bulky when I wear them, hopefully. So, I'm really excited to try these on. I think these are really cute as well. The cow Mary Janes were so cute, and I'm definitely excited to try to wear these more. Even though the heel is pretty high and I still have to get used to wearing heels, they were actually really comfortable and really light. So, I was actually super happy that they weren't so heavy and bulky. They actually felt really comfortable, and I was able to wear them with socks. Again, because of my wide feet, I do think that they could be a little small, although these weren't as uncomfortable as the creepers I tried on earlier. I was able to walk in them easier, but again, I just have to get used to having a heel. I think they were really cute. I was able to wear them with socks, so that made me really happy, and I definitely recommend these, and I want the pink pair now too. And on to the last pair. I'm so excited to show y'all. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. These are gonna die. I'm just saying, you're gonna die. Like I died with these. Look at that! Oh my gosh. Aren't these so cool? Oh my god, they're so cute. They're even cuter in person. Look at them. So these originally, I really wanted these, but they were sold out. And I responded to the person that had reached out to me. I told them I really want these, but they're sold out. Is there any way they're gonna be back in stock? And she was so nice. She was like, if you don't mind waiting a little bit, yeah, definitely when they're in stock we can grab you one. And they're so cute. Okay, so let me take out the paper. Okay, also very big sole, very tall, but still feels really light, very surprisingly. Oh, look, it matches my look today. It's so cute. So I really love the color blocking. It of course has the darker pink on the bottom with like a purple trim here, and then it has this really cute, like, what would you call this, like a teal? Is this teal? Like a bluish green here, and then up here it's a very slight like yellow, like kind of like an eggshell yellow, and then it has more of a rose pink color main part of the shoe, and it has this really cute trimming here. It's the purple, the robin shell blue, and that rose pink here, and it just looks so cute. Oh my god, I love these shoes. They actually feel super comfortable just from my first impression. I love the colors. The colors are so to die for. Like, it's blending into my room. Like, this color is literally perfect. Oh my god. Also ordered these in a size UK 7. And look at the bottoms. I love how the bottoms are also pink and not like they didn't cheap out and go with the darker color. Though I am nervous to wear these out and to see how dirty they get, how quickly they get dirty. So we'll see how that goes. But I love the different colors. I love how it's color blocked, and also comes with this little keychain with the K for Koi Footwear. I get very much 90s vibes from this. Again, I've never worn platforms, so I'm really excited and kind of nervous to wear these out. I'm very accident prone, so we'll see, but I'm very hopeful because while the sole is really like tall, it's surprisingly really light. I hope that translates well into the wearability of these shoes and the durability. I am obsessed with these. I love them. These are like the favorite child. So I don't want to like say there's a winner or loser in this video, but if there was, these tennis shoes would be the winners. I was so comfortable in these shoes. I just literally like kept walking because they were so comfortable to walk in. I really liked them. I have to get used to being up so high because of the platform, but I was actually really surprised in how comfortable and foamy that the shoe felt. It fit me perfectly. I think if I went a size down, they would have been way too tight. There's a little more toe room than I am used to, but I think if I went too small, it would have just been worse. They're really comfortable, and I felt a lot of support in the shoe. You can kind of see that it kind of forms to your foot. As you can see, it bends a little bit, so it was really, really comfortable, and I could see myself wearing these more often. And that was my Koi Footwear haul. What did y'all think of it? Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite out of the 3 pairs that I chose. I think mine for sure have to be these. I love these. These are so cute. I love the colors, and they're all really honestly cute, but that color in particular is so beautiful and very comfortable as well. So thank you again to Koi Footwear for wanting to work with me and sending me these items. All the links to the items featured in this video will be listed in the description box down below, so if you're interested, please go check that out. I definitely recommend them, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it useful. If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That would mean so much to me, and it really helps out the channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That also really means so much to me. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more clothing fashion haul videos or try-ons or maybe lookbooks, let me know by clicking the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to go check out my other social media links. They'll be listed in the description box down below. I'll hopefully have some photos posted on my Instagram trying out the shoes, so definitely go give it a like. Go leave a purple heart emoji if you're seeing this, like if you're coming from this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great and magical, wonderful day.